Ahon.
Masayang kuha mo na bago yung Kalbaryo yung aming pupuntahan. Dito sa Laurel Mansion.
Alright.
Ang tarek no? Ang tarek.
Sama niyo ba ho yung nandoon? Sama niyo ba ho yung nandoon?
Yung tatlo.
Oo.
Oo. Antayin natin yung mga pinsa ko na doon pa sa baba.
Magkasama din ho ako eh.
Nakikita ko din. Sobrang tarek dito. Laurel Mansion. So, ito. Huwag kayong mga agat ha.
I got love to believe in, no doubt we live for a reason. Stay close to the ones you call your own. They're the ones that help you grow. Oh my God, what I'm needing is music, my friends, and some healing. So it's easy to find what you seek. It could be gone before you're done blinking. So tell me what you're thinking. I'm thinking we should put tomorrow on hold and just live in the moment. Loving out in the open, stop with the hating, it ain't that important. And maybe we should just be living life slow, cause it goes by so fast. And it might get so bad, but that don't mean that it's hopeless. And
Waiting tayo sa mga pista ko at saka bayaw ko. Inaantay ko pa dito.
that I couldn't take advantage if I tried.
Grabe tarek dito sa Laurel Mansion. Nasa taas na siya ng bundok.
I'm so blessed, so blessed. And no matter where I'm at, I love my life. I'm so blessed, so blessed.
Magti 10 minutes na.
In the day, huh?
Mapuntahan na nga sila.
Love's what I'm needing. Girl by my side in the evening. A place I get hide and feel free. Yeah. The sun and the sea keep me breathing. Oh, it's always been so clear to me. Sweet reggae music, my therapy. The pen and the paper take care of me and help me become a man to be. Oh, keep your head up, things gonna be alright. Not gonna let up, celebrate and live your life. And if you're fed up, step back and wind down. Cool you down, cool you down. Listen close, the universe is calling. Make the most, experience evolving. Don't lose hope, even if you're falling. Can't stop, no stopping now. I'm thinking we should put tomorrow on hold and just live in the moment. Loving out in the open, stop with the hate, and it ain't that important. And maybe we should just be living life slow, cause it goes by so fast. And it might get so bad, but that don't mean that it's hopeless. I'm so blessed, so blessed, that I couldn't take advantage if I tried. I'm so blessed, so blessed. So blessed, so blessed.
Ay sa inyo!
That no matter where I'm at,
Ano na kayo? Magpi-15 minutes ako nag-aantay doon. Tagal yung dumating! Ha, alin? Patay. Ano? Lagyan mo ng tali.
Hi! Sira ka ba? Sira ka.
Sobra tarek! Tarek!
Mahaba din.
Mahaba, taas ito kayo.
and then I look right. Now it's like thinking we should put tomorrow on hold and just live in the
Doon ka na sa ano?
moment. Loving out in the open, stop with the hate, and it ain't that important. And maybe we should just be living life slow.
Maganda?
Might get so bad, but that don't mean
Ay, sa kanila!
so blessed, so blessed. That I
Ang taas ng nandito sa Laurel Mansion.
so blessed.
Halo ka, Diyos ko. You see that? Oh, di ba?